Don't do it.
Huh?
You don't have to do this.
I don't know. I really think I have to do this.
It's not worth it.
I don't know what else I can do. I really think I have
There's a better choice. You don't know what this will do. You have no idea what will happen.
I don't know what I can do.
Just put it away.
I really think I do have to do this.
You can't save yourself.
I'm sorry.
No one can save you.
I have to do this.
Do not do this. Don't say I didn't warn you.
Wait, what are you talking about?
I'm gonna fucking kill you!